Hey, what's up guys? It's Aaron with 2 Minute Tech, where I bring you all the tips, tricks, news, reviews, and how-tos fast. And today, we're gonna take a look at a smartphone stand from a company called Nulaxy. Now guys, full disclosure on this review, Nulaxy did reach out to me and provide me with this stand for free to check out. If you decide that you like it, check down below in the description. I will provide a link for you to purchase. And hey, while I'm at it, if you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe as well as to hit that bell icon so you can get notifications when new videos post. Also, don't forget, if you like the video, leave me a thumbs up. If you don't dig it, thumbs down, whatever, just let me know down in the comments below what you think. The Nulaxy smartphone stand is designed with a really high quality, pretty scratch resistant aluminum that takes some design cues from a certain really popular all-in-one computer. So aside from mirroring the design of the foot of the iMac, I really like the fact that this does have 270 degrees of viewing angles. So once you get your phone on the stand, you can choose to tilt it at almost any angle that you want. I gotta say, when I first saw the product, my first question was how sturdy or how tight is that actual hinge going to be? Nulaxy does claim that that hinge will hold up to 15,000 rotations. I do some really thorough testing of the products that I review on this channel, but I have to say that I didn't rotate this 15,000 times, so I'm gonna have to take their word on it. Nulaxy also claims that this stand can hold up to 100 ounces, so even if you have a pretty large smartphone, it should hold it just fine. Speaking of larger phones, if you do have a thicker device or a phone with a case on it, Nulaxy should have you covered on this because it can hold a device up to 0.45 inches thick. Even though it can hold a thicker phone, my only complaint about this stand is that I use a wallet case and it's just a little bit too thick to keep the entire thing on the stand. Another nice feature of this stand is that they do have some silicone pads to keep it from skidding. So there's 4 little dots on the bottom of the stand that keep it from sliding, as well as at the feet where it holds the phone has some silicone pads as well to keep from scratching or skidding there. Another thing that I like about this stand with the design is the fact that it does have that hole cut out so you can run your cables through to be able to charge your phone as well as have it sit up on the stand. It does come in 3 colors. It comes in black, silver, or rose gold depending on your preference. And even though it's only 3.72 ounces heavy, I never felt like my phone was going to tip over or that this stand wasn't substantial enough to support my phone. Nulaxy does have other stands in this line that have a similar design aesthetic. They have the A1, which doesn't have the adjustable arm, the A2, which is the model that we're reviewing today, and an A3, which is designed to hold heavier devices such as tablets and iPads. Nulaxy does claim that this model, the A2, can support a tablet that's up to 10 inches as long as it's in horizontal mode, although I didn't test it that way. So overall, if you're looking for a really cool looking, adjustable, and really affordable phone stand, look no further than this one from Nulaxy. Thanks for watching.